Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're staring at that frustrating F6 E4 error code on your Whirlpool dishwasher, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what this error means, why it's happening, and the step-by-step solutions to get your dishwasher running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First off, what does the F6 E4 error code actually mean? In Whirlpool dishwashers, this code typically signals an issue with the water inlet system or the dispenser circuit. Specifically, it often points to problems with the incoming water temperature being too low or a fault in the electronic controls. This error is common in models from recent years, including those updated for 2025 features. Now, let's talk about the causes. The most frequent culprits include a malfunctioning water inlet valve that's not allowing proper water flow, a faulty heater element that can't warm the water adequately, or even issues with the control board due to power surges or wear and tear. Sometimes, it's as simple as a clogged filter or low water pressure from your home's supply line. Identifying the root cause is key to fixing it quickly. Alright, time for the good part, the solutions. Start by unplugging your dishwasher for about 5 minutes to perform a reset. This can clear temporary glitches. Next, check your water supply. Ensure the inlet valve is clean and that your home's water pressure is adequate. If that's fine, inspect the heater element and dispenser for any visible damage. You might need to use a multimeter to test these components. Don't worry, I'll link a guide in the description if you're new to that. If the problem persists, you may need to replace the faulty part. For instance, a new water inlet valve is relatively affordable and easy to install with basic tools. Always refer to your dishwasher's manual for model-specific instructions. And remember, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, call a professional to avoid any risks. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that F6 E4 error for good. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.